Hi guys, I keep getting questions about my reefing system, and since I've changed it a little bit since my last video, I'm going to show you in detail how I reef my sail. Lug sails need a lot of tension on the luff to have any performance or any decent performance when sailing to wind. That's achieved by the downhaul. And whatever system you've got there to hold the tack to the boom needs to be really strong, because it's going to take all the tension from this downhaul, and this is strong. This system doesn't have a Cunningham and a Vang. It has a downhaul coupled with this rope here, which holds the boom in position, preventing it from going forwards, which allows you in turn to have a slight angle on the downhaul. So that's a mix of Cunningham and Vang all together. When I put the downhaul tight, this takes a lot of tension here. So I use Spectra, and the same here. I have a Spectra loop here as well. So whatever system you use to hold that tack to the boom, make sure it's strong enough to take the downhaul tension. On the leash I have a bit of Spectra with a loop at the end and another tie. This loop will go in the carabiner, which is part of the outhaul system. So let's reef the sail. You need to release the outhaul. Here at the front, just put the boom through the loop. That will hold the sail in place. When I want to tidy up the sail a bit, I can always use that little string. Put this Spectra loop on the carabiner. And now I can pull the outhaul. There you go, that's tension now. I still need to keep the Clew close to the boom, and that's why I have this tie here. Okay. Now it's just a matter of tidying up the sail in the midsection here with the small reef ties. This is very important, guys. These ties cannot go around the boom. This is a loose foot sail. This needs to be only around the sail. Again, only around the sail, not the boom. It doesn't even need to be tight. Well, it shouldn't be. So when I raise sail after reefing, the boom is at the exact same height as it was before with the full sail. The downhaul won't allow the boom to go any further than this. Some of the guys like to set the boom higher once they reefed, because that allows them for more visibility here, because obviously this height will reduce as I tighten the downhaul. I don't mind, to be honest, and another advantage of having the boom higher is that the tip, it will be harder for the tip to dip in the water when the boat heels, especially when you're on the run or something like that. The advantage of having lower boom is the sail is lower as well, which means less force at the top of the sail trying to tip the boat over. So for me, it works like this. That's the setup I have. It's no worse or better than any of the others. Well, it's my setup. That's a noisy bugger. It's quite a simple setup, not much to it really, but it allows me to reef on the go really quick. Still allows me to have full control of the sail depth as well, which I find important, especially in strong winds, so I can depower the sail without going to the next reef line. As you know, I only have this skiff for 3 months now. Hi, Seagull. I've only had the skiff for 3 months now. All these systems are still experimental, but that's a noisy seagull. If you guys have any suggestions how I can improve this, or if I didn't explain something properly, just leave the questions or the suggestions on the comment section below. Okay, I've just now replaced this here, the bleater, by some Spectra. The other rope was way too loud. And that's it, only short video this week, but it's my younger brother's wedding in a couple of days, so I'm gonna have to edit this today, but I'll be back next week with I don't know what yet, but we'll see. So guys, stay safe and I'll see you next week.